Hello and welcome to First Success Tech channel. Today we are going to see about the digital marketing trends 2023. Personalization and segmentation. Marketers will continue to focus on the personalizing the marketing messages to reach the right people at the right time. This can be done through in various methods such as using the data segment audiences, creating the custom content and using for the target advertising. Video marketing. Video marketing is becoming more popular and the marketers will need to create engaging and visually appealing the videos to capture the attention. This includes using the live video, short form video and the virtual video. In 2023, the business will need to create the high quality video content that engages and informs the targeted audiences. Conversational marketing, chatbots and other conversational tools that are becoming more popular as the people for the business to interact with the customer in more natural way. The business will need to adapt the conversational marketing strategies to stay ahead of the competition. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is the cost effective way for the business to reach a large audience, and the business will need to use the data and the technology to personalize the marketing campaigns for the individual customer. AI powered marketing. Artificial intelligence is being used in the different ways in the digital marketing. AI is became even more prevalent in the digital marketing as the business look for the ways to automate tasks and improve the marketing campaigns. Voice search marketing. Voice search is become increasingly popular as the people are using their voice to search for the information in their smartphones and the other devices. Business will need to optimize the websites and the content for the voice search. Programmatic advertising. Programmatic advertising is the way to buy and sell the ads digitally. This means the ads are automatically matched to the right audience based on the interest and the demographics. Programmatic advertising will become even more popular as the business look for the ways to reach the target audience for more effectively. Data driven marketing. Data is becoming increasingly important in the digital marketing. Business will need to collect and analyze the data to understand the consumers and create more effective marketing campaigns. Growth of the short form video. Short form video content such as TikTok and the Instagram Reels is becoming increasingly popular, and the business need to create short engaging videos that are captured to the attention to the targeted audiences. Right is the way to buy and sell the ads digitally. This means the ads are automatically matched to the right audience based on the interest and the demographics. Programmatic advertising will become even more popular as the business look for the ways to reach the target audience for more effectively. Live streaming. Live streaming is becoming more popular ways for the business to connect with the consumers in the real time. The business need to explore the ways to use live streaming to promote their products and the services. Increased use of augmented reality, AR and the virtual reality VR. AR and VR becoming more mainstream, and the business are the starting use to create the immersive experience for their consumers. The business may start using AR and VR to offer virtual tours to the products and the services to create the interactive games and the experiences. Focus on the sustainability. Consumers are becoming more concerned about the sustainability, and the business will need to find the ways to market to their products and the services in the sustainable way. This can be involved on the recyclable materials, reducing the carbon footprint, and for the donating to the environmental causes. Personalization at the scale. Business will need to find the ways to personalize their marketing campaigns at the scale. This can involve using AI and machine learning that segment to their audience and deliver the personalized content to the each of the individual customer. Importance of the marketing. In the world where the people who are pampered in the marketing, and the business will need to the focus on the building to trust with the customers. This could involve being in the transparent about the practices, being in the honest about the products and the services for providing the excellent customer service. These are the just few digital marketing trends that are for the business should be aware of 23. Thank you.